It's always so sad. You feel too much, Sully. I think you just feel too much. Let's push a button again. I think we missed our signal. I knew you were going to do that as soon as I heard that siren. What, you don't howl at them when they're not running their siren? Thankfully, this didn't burn down. I think it's something in here. Let's see. Oh, perfect timing. Right in front of the emergency cruise. Well, what do you call this dog? What's his name?
Oh, the Howler.
The Howler. You got a reputation, mister. Thank you, guys. You're a celebrity. A local Chagrin Falls celebrity. That was very good. You pulled me right to the right spot for a good shot. Like I've put you through this before. You're very patient.